Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to another video for the Toyota Tacoma Overland project. Today we're going to be installing ditch lights from Cali Raised LED. We got their pod lights and also their super low profile ditch light brackets to install. So what I got in the box with this one, guys, we do have the ditch brackets. They label them passenger side, driver side, super low profile, comes with the hardware and a QR code in case you need the instructions. And then we also got these pods. I went with more of like a combo kind of pattern. We got the LEDs on the side and also the LEDs right there in the front. You could elect to put different ones on if you want. And then we also have the hardware and the harness right here to be running these lights once we install them on the Tacoma. First step, we're gonna go ahead and open up the hood of our truck. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the brackets out of here to assemble the lights onto the brackets before putting them onto the truck. And again, you can see that they're labeled P for passenger and D for driver. So I set the bracket into place and you can see right here on this side, the easiest way to do it is just put the Allen through, kind of catch it a little bit on the bracket, and then you could see that lock washer right there and then the nut. What I use is these needle nose right here to kind of hold the lock washer into place. And then I just send the nut down, tighten up the Allen head, and it will secure it into place. And we can adjust this once we get it like on the truck. So I just like loosely put it into place. And I have them installed. Now you can just see how low profile these things are gonna be. But I angled them basically from a top down view to just kind of line up with the brackets right now. And then I just use a 13mm socket down there at the bottom and a wrench on the top to tighten that bolt in. Now coming over to your hood, guys, go ahead and take off this top bolt right here. Only take off that top bolt. So now with that top bolt out, we're gonna take our driver's side bracket, come up underneath, kind of swing it out to the side a little bit, and then we're gonna put that bolt through the top, not tightening it all the way because we still have to get that bottom one off. So I took the bottom bolt out, swung the bracket in, had to pull up the hood just a little bit to make sure that these bolts go in, and then I pulled the bracket back far enough to where I can still see on the back side right here with the hood open that it's good. So now we're just gonna tighten it all up. All right, and there we have it, all nice and installed. Check out how low profile these are. And then here it is with the hood open. And these are pretty big lights too. And the way I have it angled, I'm clearing right here on that weather stripping, not hitting the windshield wiper right there. So to wire it, basically all I'm gonna do is bring the wires that it has down through the plastic right here. And then I have, if you guys missed this, but in a previous video, I installed this whole switch panel system. So I'm gonna kind of cut up the wires that Cali Raised provided with this kit and then put them into their slot right here. So now I'll turn on the ditch lights for you guys. Boom, lighten all that up over there, turn them off, turn them back on, and obviously you can angle them too, so we see the trees over here. Turn them off, turn them back on. So I like the whole combo feature of it to aim a little bit out to the left and to the right, and then also straight ahead of us too. That's super bright. Now I'm out of the vehicle. I'll show you guys how it is outside. So we're casting over this way with the ditch lights. And go ahead and shut the door. Pretty good cast. And the same over here too. Man, these things are freaking bright. So I did actually just notice something, and I'm an idiot. So this side of it is not lit up, whereas this side is. So if I swap that around and have this here and then these on the outside, it won't illuminate my hood that much, so it would shine out actually even more down this way. So depending on how you want to do it, you can have it kind of going this way to be all up in your hood a little bit and shine that way, or probably the proper way to have them right here and shine it out that way. I didn't even notice that until just now. So you can see how this one's kind of illuminating the hood a little bit. It would actually shine out more that way. So I'm stupid. I'll probably swap those around, but guys, they are very, very freaking bright. So links to this and discount code if you guys elect to pick them up are down in the description, and I will catch you all in the next one.